Even with the verdict, the trial is far from over. Next up is sentencing, when the judge decides how long Derek Chauvin spends in prison. A retired Tampa judge spoke with us about what it's like to preside over a high-profile case and the impact the sentencing could have on the country. Melanie Michael is live for us at the Hillsborough County Courthouse, where this judge spent many years. Mel?
Jen, good evening to you. You know, being on the bench in a case like this is a tough job. This retired judge summed it up in 2 words: lonely and stressful. From start to finish, the job of a judge during a trial holds epic responsibility. Judges listen the most, talk the least, and determine the defendant's future.
At the end of the day, it's just you, and you feel very alone when you're in that situation.
Really? Tell me about that.
No matter how much help you get, no matter what arguments you have, no matter how much case law you read, at the end of the day, you have to make the decision, and you have to take responsibility for that decision when you're the judge.
It's a lot of hours, a lot of reading, and a lot of stress. Just ask retired Judge Scott Stevens.
So this one will affect, you know, it has the potential to affect the future of the United States. Really important that everybody feels like the judicial system works the way it's supposed to.
Judge Stevens says the verdict in the Chauvin trial did not surprise him at all, especially since prosecutors had video of the crime with footage that sealed the deal.
There's a difference between something that happens in the heat of a pursuit and something that happens over the course of 8 or 9 minutes.
So how does the judge in this case decide prison time for Derek Chauvin? Judge Stevens says most of the ruling is already determined, as Minnesota law states the maximum and the minimum that a person is behind bars. The Minneapolis judge will spend hours reading, reflecting, and researching sentencing guidelines.
Well, there's never a time when you can put it completely out of your mind. It's better if you don't think about it while you're at home, but you do have an obligation to give it your, every bit of thinking you can before you make a decision.
Then comes the emotional part, as the judge will listen to family members of George Floyd and Derek Chauvin. They will talk in court about each man's character, sharing personal details. After that, it is decision time, where the judge is alone weighing the law and the testimony of both families. Certainly a very interesting perspective there from Judge Stevens. He also says that sometimes judges will get stuck in those sentencing guidelines, really needing some advice or some guidance, and they often reflect, and they also talk to and consult with other judges as they come to their decision on sentencing. We are live tonight in downtown Tampa. I'm Melanie Michael, 8 on your side.